What's up, everybody? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans. Today I want to put together a really quick and easy meal prep for you. All right, so I'm going to prepare, this is going to be my meal prep for the week. So I'm going to prepare Chipotle style seitan. I'm going to do a rice medley as well as asparagus with soy sauce and toasted sesame oil. All right, so really easy, quick meal prep. I mean, 30 minutes top. Super easy. All right. All right, so this is the rice medley. This is super easy. If you don't feel like cooking your rice in a rice cooker or anything, get this rice medley in the microwave, 3 minutes, and it's done. All right, so this recipe doesn't really call for much chopping or much of anything. The only thing that I usually chop is the asparagus, and I just cut the ends off. Just like that, and then I just make another chop down the middle, and I use that part, and then I just throw the ends in the trash. All right, now that we got the asparagus all chopped up, I usually use a wok, so we're gonna saute it in the wok, and then we're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce and sesame oil to give it a little bit of flavor. So let's get that in there. Ooh-wee. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. All right, so now I just wanna mix it up. Put about a tablespoon of olive oil at the bottom. And before I even put the soy sauce and sesame oil on it, I want to let it cook for a little bit. I want to get the asparagus a little bit softer. And then once I do that, the soy sauce and sesame oil is going to take on and give it a little bit more flavor than it being hard. So we are going to use a tablespoon soy sauce. And then for toasted sesame oil, I just put like a little drip. Boom, just like that. Half of a teaspoon maybe. And then I just get this all mixed up in there. Get the flavor going. And then I let that saute a little bit more. Get the asparagus softer. I still want to have a little bit of a crunch on my asparagus. I don't want it to be too soggy and too soft. So I probably let it saute for about 3 minutes and then take them out. All right, so we have the rice out of the microwave. We have the asparagus all done. Look at that. Now, we are going to prepare the seitan, the Chipotle style seitan. So we're just gonna put that in there, break it up. Just like that. And it breaks up into little strips. And then we just saute that, get it a little brown, and then it's all done. Okay guys, there you have it, all done. Like I said, this was a quick meal prep. And the reason why I'm doing meal prep like this is to give you guys something that is super easy, because there's a lot of people I know who just went plant-based, and the biggest thing that they're struggling with is meal planning. So I want to do things like this to make it really easy before I get into other types of meal prep that's a little bit more difficult. So like I said, we have the Chipotle style seitan, we have the rice medley, and we had the toasted sesame oil with soy sauce, asparagus. Really easy. This should not take you longer than the most 45 minutes to prepare. I have 6 meals here, so shouldn't take you long. 30 minutes tops. But there you have it. Meal prep. Easy. Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.